Beetles is once again making the rounds on the socials, so let's sip some coffee and spill some tea. Oh, and this is my emotional support Beetles box. Whenever I start getting hate from ignoramuses online, I just read the ingredients and feel better. This one creator made a video stating how angry it makes her when she sees nail techs using Beetles on paying clients. Of course, the comment section went just as how you can imagine. All the nail techs that do use Beetles fighting for their lives, including Mr. Nuni Torres, who then made a video of his own.
Like, are you guys embarrassed yet? Like, you guys really made a whole show jumping on this contact dermatitis bandwagon only for Beetles to turn around and laugh in your faces.
The most notable thing I always see whenever Beetles is mentioned is, well, why are they bad? What have they done? All the events that transpired last year, there were multiple part video series for them because I was finding things out as I was going along. However, I realized that most people are not going to go watch all those videos, so I figured that I would try to very quickly go over their main transgressions in a format of a shareable video so everybody could just understand why this company is so bad. Let's just cut right to the chase and start with the alleged slew of allergies that they have caused due to a cheaply made formula with a very high monomer content and an extremely low photoinitiator content. Then to top it off, they would send their kits with these $5 flash cure lamps and tell you that it was safe as a full system, claiming that it would cure their horribly formulated product. Heck, for a while there, they were sending out kits with literally one of those tiny flash cure lamps and telling people to test it on their skin first. When I reviewed their SDS and called them out for it, they then fabricated new SDSs dated November 11, 2025, where they magically corrected all the issues that they'd been called out for. If the low photoinitiator wasn't a problem, why'd they fix it? They then put out a statement gaslighting everybody who was questioning them, like those were always the original SDSs and the other ones just didn't exist, even though I have video proof of me going on their website and getting it. Most importantly, the new SDSs don't match the ingredients on the back of the bottle, and I have proven this time and time again. Their HEMA-Free line isn't actually HEMA-free and gave me a reaction, and they labeled it, "We don't intentionally add HEMA to cover their butts." And even if you believe all the people on here that claim that it's all just user error, the thousands of allergies, including the ones obtained by professionals, it's all just user error, they give people chemical burns. Chemical burns is not user error. The burns can be caused by high amounts of monomer polymerizing extremely quickly and creating an exothermic reaction. Heat spike. Beetles has never once addressed all of the original allegations and complaints, and they also never sued me like everyone else said they would. Why? Because in order to sue someone for defamation, it would have to be a lie. They would then also have to prove that their products are indeed safe and cure correctly, which again, they have not done. In the face of all of this scrutiny, it would have been so simple for them to just release testing saying, hey, we've reformulated, explain why the SDSs don't match the ingredients, and prove that they are chemically balanced. Did they do any of that? Absolutely not. Like Nuni Torres said, they just keep releasing collection after collection and laughing in our faces. Why he thinks that's a flex, I don't know. No brand is defended as much as Beetles, and I will never understand why. One of the main arguments being, well, not everyone can afford high-end luxury products. I get that, which is why I have spent a year trying to find affordable alternatives, and I have found 4 of them. So this isn't about price. It's about a company that lies constantly, and then people defend this brand like they're getting paid to, because most of them are. And even if the new SDS formulation is correct and they've fixed all of the issues, their lamps are still garbage. All the time I see people saying, well, just use better lamp. Which one? Because there is no universal lamp. So you don't know which good lamp you're supposed to use that is compatible and will safely cure this product. Then, of course, you have the fact that you cannot professionally use a product that doesn't have a matching SDS, because per OSHA regulation, if you are using a product professionally on somebody, you are required to have an updated and accurate SDS of that product. Wow. That alone disqualifies this product from professional use. So there you have it, folks. Everything that transpired last year is in Beetles' main transgressions. It's not about price. It's not about gatekeeping. It is about a shady company that came in to destroy the nail industry with extremely irresponsible formulas and only one thing in mind: profit. Allegedly.